On to the next one. So, anybody see what's wrong there? So this is a 2.4 off of a 2013 Chevy Captiva. So this upper guide, so I'm guessing that the chain has stretched due to lack of oil lubrication, and so the chain stretch started slapping, broke this upper guide. So this is the very top of the motor inside of the valve cover. So here's the valve cover. You can tell, I mean, it's not, I've seen worse. Like the sludge is just starting in the back here. It's got some layers of sludge back there, but you can see the chain has actually got so much slap in it with that chain guide that it is wearing the top of the valve cover now. And you can see, so this is the guide. This is the metal piece of the guide. So it has actually been doing this for so long that it has rubbed through the metal. That plastic piece I just showed you right here covers that. So this snapped off, started rubbing through that, all went to the bottom of the oil pan, which this oil pickup sits like this. And you can see it has sucked up all of these pieces. So there's a piece of guide. That's actually wedged in there really good. Alright, let me pause this for a second. Alright, I got those pieces out. You can see what it's supposed to look like. So you can see all the little tiny pieces that were wedged in there. I actually found this piece, another piece of the same guide that's from the very top of the motor. All these little chunks that didn't make it through the screen. But you see how big that screen is. And then it goes through the pump. Then makes it back to the top of the motor for the timing valves. Timing solenoids. So you can see there's chunks all in there. And you'll notice it had low oil pressure because I've got these from 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 definitely has some grooves. 2 has some grooves. 3, the coating is starting to come off. You can see chunks are missing. And 4, both halves have huge pieces missing. So, yeah, I want to say it's oil. I mean, it's only got 120,000 miles on a Chevy 2.4. Should have gone farther than that. So, yeah, change your oil. I'm going to chalk it up as oil. Change your oil. And they're debating right now on whether to do all the timing, because all the guides, obviously if the chain is stretched, the chain's got to get replaced and put all new guides in it, because it's probably been slapping around on the other guides. I can almost guarantee you the other guides on the front of the motor are either cracked or broken. So they're going to debate on all new guides and pulling the front cover and all new bearings in the crank or a new motor. So I'll keep you posted. We'll see what they decide to do, or junk the car. It is a Captiva, basically a Saturn Vue. So, but is what it is.